Hello everybody and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson, and today I got myself 2 new packages here and I just can't wait to see what's inside. I don't know, I don't have a clue. So let's just get opening these. Right, I'll just start with this little package here. Oh, it's Happy Plant Day again. This is amazing and this is always something really, really special. This is bumping up my plant collection to the next level, as I keep saying, because these are much rarer plants that you can't just find in the plant centres out and about. You have to go online and find somebody who has this specific plant so you can go and get yourself an example of it. Now, let's just see how we're going to get in this box. So let's see what we've got going on inside this package. I just can't wait. It's very small and it's taped in. Oh, there we go. Now we can see it. It's coming out. And look at this. Look at this. I can see this is Epipremnum aureum happy leaf before I even get it out of the packaging. So let's get it out so we can see this little cutting, because it's just so beautiful. And look at that, I haven't been able to find this anywhere. So there we have it. Can you see those beautiful leaves? Oh, they've got bigger patches of variegated green on this very white, marbly center. Look at that, aren't they just beautiful? Oh, you're so cute. Just a little tiny cutting like that. So I'm going to have to take really good care of that. Now, I just need to see if this has got some roots on it inside all of this tissue here going on. I don't think so. Yes, it has. It has got roots. So it's ready to be potted out straight away. Look at this. So I have a wonderful little cutting of this Epipremnum aureum happy leaf. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? And then look at these wonderful leaves again. How couldn't you be happy with that? Okay, so that's the first one. I am so pleased about that. I'll just put it back in the tissue for now to keep it moist until I get round to potting it straight away in a moment. Now I have another big box here. This one looks quite long. I wonder what it is. So let's find a way into the box first. They're always so well packed, these plants, when they come. People do take great care, so I don't have to worry about what I'm doing now. I mean, they've been in the normal post. I saw the postman just chuck them into my mailbox. But these plants are going to be fine as soon as they are potted and acclimatized. They'll take off and they'll be absolutely fine, as if nothing happened, as if they hadn't been moved, basically. So let's see, this side has a little bit more tape, and then the last little bit here for me to get into. Oh, I need to be really careful actually, don't I? Don't put my eye out. Right, let's open and see what's in this box. Let's get a little bit closer, right? Come on, open, open, open. I can't wait any longer. What are you? What are you? It's in paper, and then, oh, what is, I know what it is. I know what it is straight away. It is Monstera, deliciosa, variegata. Oh, look at this cute little leaf. Oh, I'm so excited about this. And it's great. It's beautiful. Oh, it is absolutely beautiful. It's travelled well. Can you see that against my face? It's absolutely beautiful. Oh, look at the variegation in that leaf. Monstera, deliciosa, variegata. I just can't believe I've got one at last. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at that. And it's got those beautiful fenestrations already. And I don't think this has got any roots. Oh, it has. The roots started coming out okay. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, so this is ready to be, I don't know if I should pot it or if I should put it in water. I think I'll start by putting this in water first. Yeah, I'll put this in water first for a little while and then I'll pot it on because I don't want to take any chances. Oh, look at that leaf. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at all the detail in it. Can you understand how one can get so excited over a leaf? Well, these are really, really popular at the moment and they're very hard to find. So you have to source them online. And I am so happy about this one. So just to recap what I got home today. 2 variegated plants. This beautiful Epipremnum aureum happy leaf on my left here, and this beautiful Monstera deliciosa variegata on my right. People, you don't know how happy I am right now. Anyway, thank you once again for watching Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson. And please remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you know when my next video is coming up, because I'm going to be having more plant videos coming up yet. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.